everyone, Kittynyanyao here and welcome to my channel and hoping everyone is doing well. Life has been very busy, but I'll try to make it up to you guys. Been planning on doing another what's in my bag video, and so I ordered, waited for the items to arrive, and now everything is here, time to do the video. This Ita bag has an adjustable strap with a detachable hook for the bag. It has two compartments. First has enough space for personal items. Second is where you can customize your design. And here's where you can attach the hooks on the strap. Now for the Tartaglia merch. Keychain and Enamel pin I bought from Shopee. Tartaglia mask keychain. And his Fatui uniform badge. Next are fan-made items made by local artists. Here we have an alcohol bottle with a Tartaglia and Hydro print design. Tartaglia themed design pouch. And for the official Mihoyo merch, we have pin badge number 1. Pin badge number 2. Keychain number 1, a metal Chibi character of Tartaglia. Keychain number 2, a Tartaglia narwhal plush. Squishy! And here we have another fan-made merch. I ordered a cute acrylic child vision keychain. Aw, here's a cute art from the artist. Ooh, extra sticker. Adorable. I love this artist's chibi art. From the same artist, I ordered a cute Tartaglia mug. Time to decorate! Another good thing about Ita bags is the designing process. Freedom of what style and how many you want to put in. Since I'm satisfied on the arrangements, time to put on everything. straps, and lastly the alcohol bottle. And here's what I'll be putting inside. The pouch with feminine toiletry, such as extra hair tie, comb, and lip balm. Cell phone, my cute go-to cloth wallet, and since there's extra space, I'm gonna add one of my favorite go-to book, an Edgar Allan Poe collection in a small compact book by Macmillan Classics. Lastly, a snack. Favorite snack is a strawberry milk lollipop. And here we have an extra Tartaglia merch husband bought for me. A fluffy plush of Tartaglia by ManTou brand. So cute! It has a furry felt for the hair. Has removable clothes. Also has nice details. And has wires inside. Thank you for watching.